Okay, so week 3 of my FTMO challenge update video. Now, I said I was going to do one of these videos every week. I was actually away end of last week, so I didn't get round to doing one to update you for last week. So I'm kind of doing everything in with this video. So I'd taken a 3% profit on GBP USD a couple of weeks ago. I was in the USD chef trade, I think, when I recorded my last video, and which I took a loss on. So I'm still 2% in profit there. And then I took a long on Euro USD yesterday. Now it actually gapped down quite a lot over the weekend and actually opened more or less at entry. So I decided to take that yesterday. I'm actually just over 1% in profit on that trade. So I'm going to let that one play out, see what happens with that trade there. I've not really got much else that I've got my eye on, particularly at the moment. As I said before, everything I'm doing is on the 4-hour time frame. I appreciate it's going to take a little bit of time, just because I think I'm being ultra cautious with my trades and obviously trading on the higher time frame. And as of last week, I only had kind of 3 pairs that I was trading. I've actually got 5 pairs now. I've got another one that I'm at the testing stage. I'm putting it into my spreadsheet. Just need to kind of do a bit more due diligence on that one and make sure that my trade plan is as I want it to get the best results. And then I've got another one that I'm going to be adding into the spreadsheet. And again, doing some kind of due diligence on that before I start trading it live. So potentially I've got 7 pairs that are lining up. Whether I'll trade all of these, I'm just keep testing and adding them into the spreadsheet and everything, so that I can, basically see what they're doing, and start trading them. Whether I'm going to trade all of them long term, I don't know. Whether I'll just pick the best ones. I don't want to be trading tons and tons of pairs because I just don't want to be sat on the charts going through the pairs for too long, every single day. I normally do it in the morning and in the evening, kind of in the morning before I get out doing my other businesses and working on those. So it's not something I want to spend a huge amount of time on. So I'm just going to see how the time goes with pairs as I add them in. So that's pretty much for this video. That's pretty much it for this video. Sorry. I'm risking 1% on these trades, but it's a $50,000 account. It's a $50,000 FTMO challenge account. So rather than risking 1%, I'm risking $500, which essentially is the same, but it gives me 10 trades before I hit my stop loss. And obviously once I go into profit, rather than risking 1%, which would just be just over $500, I'm risking $500 so I can kind of do my numbers. I know exactly where I'm at. When I'm up 3%, it means I've got 13 trades to play with, rather than if I started risking 1%, it would be just over $500. And it just kind of skews my stats and skews my head, basically. So that's what I'm doing. I'll keep you updated on the Euro USD trade, which I'm currently in. I'll try and do an update later in the week, if not early next week. So, but anyway, that's where I'm at for my challenge right now. At least we're in the positive for the time being. So if you want to kind of keep updated on my challenge and see where it's heading and see what my results are, make sure you hit subscribe, so that you'll be updated as and when I put out a new video. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will talk to you again in another video real soon. Take care.